Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity and creator of Bogash Life in Balance. And today, myself and the girls are back here, so of course I'm cooking some food. So there's Reese's. They're back here interested. But today we're going to make, this is going to go on the grill. These are, we'll make them seared ahi tuna fillets. So they've been marinating overnight in a toasted sesame oil, which is fantastic. It's that kind of thing you can't help but lick the bottle after you pour it. Just some balsamic vinegar that we had left over, and this everything bagel sauce, which makes a great topping on everything. So like I said, it's been marinated overnight. We're going to sear it on the grill, and that'll be that aspect. I'm also going to kind of play around with almost like a lo mein type recipe. You've got organic multicolored carrots, snow peas, mushrooms, and some green onions chopped up in there. Haven't quite decided if I'm going to make them with the zoodles or with actual whole grain noodles yet. I might kind of do a mix of both. My wife's not a terribly big fan of the zoodles. We have lots of extra sitting in the freezer and we need to get rid of them, so that may be the option for tonight. And if she doesn't like it, she can stick with the tuna. Again, not sure how this is all going to turn out. Definitely loading it up with some Bragg's liquid aminos. Still cooking in here, and I'll keep you posted on how everything goes. The end result actually turned out quite tasty. I might have added a little bit of too much of the red pepper flakes, but hey, we'll all live with it. And anything we can do to add to the microbiome spice-wise is always a good thing. So we'll go check and see how the tuna's holding out. Seared tuna turned out pretty good. Again, it's just a seared, so it's definitely still red in the middle, and always good as far as omega-3 fatty acids. We always try to get wild-caught tuna is a little bit more challenging. It's not that clear with when you buy something if it's wild-caught, but we usually buy these at local Sprouts when they are on a deep discount, because they can otherwise be a little bit pricey. But looking forward to dinner.